15, 14. Quiz na natin next meeting Medyo choppy. Choppy din ba sa inyo?
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi po, sir.
Si si Frederick ang may problema. Okay, sige. New topic na tayo. Siyempre, tapos na tayo dun sa review na natin kahapon. So, start na natin yung wait lang, ko lang yung calculator. Hindi naman natin kailangan ng calculator ngayon. Maglalaro ba tayo ngayon? Hindi. Para alam ko kung anong oras ko ikakat tong klasiko. 30 minutes. Ay, naka-on mic. Hindi, sinadya ko talaga para marinig niyo. Walang maglalagay niyan sa evaluation bubugbugin ko kayo talaga. Cherry, ikaw. Second year. Okay, start na natin. Or may question kayo regarding sa discussion natin last meeting? Wala. So again, quiz number 2. Bakit ang nipis? Quiz number 2 natin, kailan?
Wednesday, sir.
Bakit Wednesday? Ang tagal naman. Tapos discussion ng Tuesday. Pwedeng Monday?
May quiz kami rin, sir, Monday.
Tuesday. Tuesday ng 4 to 6. 4 to 5:30 p.m. Pwede?
Wala pong pasok ng Tuesday.
Ay, wala palang pasok, no? Okay,
Sir,
Wednesday. Wala tayong choice. Wednesday. Oo na, sige na. Wednesday. Hindi na ako maglalaro ng badminton nito kasi ang tataas nung score nyo nung nag-badminton kami. Wednesday ng 4 to 5:30. Okay, so ang coverage, complex, may complex. Ano ba yung natin? Complex. Intro ng complex up to logarithm. Clear yung natin, yung presentation na walang
Yes,
sulat.
sir.
Okay. So, okay na nga kasi baka ayan. So, proceed tayo sa Euler's identity or yung sa Euler's theorem muna. Theorem. Okay, so by definition, cosine theta plus j sine theta is equal to e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta over 2 plus j and then e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta over j2. Okay? So yan yung sa Euler's theorem. So let's prove yung theorem na yan. Okay? So from our polar form na z is equal to r, angle of theta. So ginawa natin siyang exponential form, r e raised to j theta. Okay? So which is in trigo form, so that's the same as r cjs theta, or that's r cosine theta plus j sine theta. Okay? So yung e raised to j theta, r e raised to j theta is equal to r cosine theta plus j sine theta. So we can cancel yung r. So ang e raised to j theta is equal to cosine theta plus j sine theta. So let this be equation 1. Tapos pag e raised to negative j theta, ito na yung cosine theta minus j sine theta. So equation number 2. Okay, so let's add equation 1 and 2. So add 1 and 2. Okay, so we have e raised to j theta plus or equal to cosine theta plus j sine theta, and e raised to j theta negative. So cosine theta minus j sine theta. So i-add natin. So that's e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta is equal to 2 cosine theta. So divide natin siya by 2 on both sides. Okay, so 2 and 2. So therefore, ang cosine of theta is equal to e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta over 2. Okay? So yun na yung applying theorem 2 noong complex. So real part is equal to real part nung nasa right side. So eto na yung part ng cosine theta. Okay? So eto na yung isa sa trigonometric identity using yung Euler's identity. So yung isang equation, subtract natin. So subtract equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so kopyahin lang natin e raised to j theta is equal to cosine theta plus j sine theta minus e raised to negative j theta is equal to cosine theta minus j sine theta. So subtraction tayo. So e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta is equal to, so mag-zero out yung cosine. Then we have negative j2. Positive. Okay, so positive j2. Then we have sine theta. So solving for sine theta, so we have e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta over j2. Okay? So yan na yung sine theta natin. Okay? So ito yung sine component. Okay? So any question dito sa dalawang to? Okay. So we can now also solve yung tangent theta, which is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So kopyahin lang natin yung sine theta. e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta over j2 and then over cosine theta. So e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta over 2. And then cross multiply natin. So tangent theta is equal to, so we have 2 multiplied by e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta. So we are deriving yung formula for the trigonometric functions of complex numbers. So expect nyo na magde-derive din kayo sa quiz. Okay, so we have j2 multiplied by e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta. So we cancel yung 2. Okay, so will you try sa calculator nyo yung 1 over j is equal to negative j? Kindly verify. Okay. Anyone? Tama ba? Yung 1 over j is negative j. 1 over I is negative I sa calculator.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have negative j multiplied by e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta over e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta. So yan na yung equation natin or formula natin for tangent of theta. Then the rest, since meron na tayong sine, cosine, and tangent, so masosolve nyo na rin or makukuha nyo na rin yung equation or formula for cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. Okay? So kayo nang bahala dyan sa tatlong yan. So next, our question, clarification, wala. So if none, proceed tayo sa next. Okay, so doon na tayo sa inverse trigo. So inverse trigo function of complex numbers. Okay, so i-derive natin yung sa arc sine of x, arc cosine of x, and arc tangent of x. And then kayo nang bahala din doon sa iba. Arc tangent of x. Okay? So yung tatlong yan lang yung i-derive natin and kayo na yung bahala mag-derive for the rest of the inverse trigo. Okay, so start tayo dun sa arc sine. Okay, so arc sine of x is equal to theta. So pag kinuha natin si sine theta, so that's equal to x. So balikan lang natin yung na-solve, yung na-derive natin kanina na sine theta. So that's e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta over j2. So kunin lang natin siya dito and equate natin sa x. So substitute natin yung kanina dito sa dinederive natin ngayon. Okay, so that's e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta over j2 is equal to x. And then cross multiply. So makukuha natin is e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta is equal to j excuse me, j2x. Okay? So para matanggal yung negative na exponent natin, we multiply this by e raised to j theta. So e raised to j theta squared minus 1 is equal to j 2x e raised to j theta. And then i-transpose natin yung nasa right side. Ilagay natin sa left side of the equation. So e raised to j theta squared minus j2x e raised to j theta, and then minus 1 is equal to 0. So naka-form na tayo ng quadratic equation. So that's ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from that, pwede na natin gamitin yung quadratic formula. Okay, so using quadratic formula, so ang e raised to j theta is equal to negative b. So that's negative times negative j. So that's j 2x, then plus minus the square root of b squared. So that's negative j 2x squared, and then minus 4 times a mo is 1, and then ang c natin is negative 1 over 2a. Okay, so simplifying the equation, we have j2x plus or minus the square root of negative squared, so positive, and then j squared is negative 1. So we have negative, then 2 squared 4, negative 4x squared, minus 4 times negative 1, so plus 4. Then over 2. Then, etong nasa loob ng square root. Okay, so pwede natin siyang i-manipulate by factoring yung 4. So we have 1 minus x squared. Okay, so that's 4 and then minus 4x squared. And then if we get the square root of this one, so magiging 2 square root of 1 minus x squared. So yung e raised to j theta is now equal to j 2x plus or minus 2, and then square root of 1 minus x squared over 2. So we can now cancel yung 2. Okay? So yung result, e raised to j theta is now equal to jx plus or minus square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay? So lagyan natin para matanggal yung exponential dyan, lagyan natin ng ln on both sides. Okay? So ln. So we have j theta is equal to ln of jx plus or minus the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, so tanggalin natin yung j. So divide natin siya by j. Okay, so therefore ang theta natin is equal to, again, ang 1 over j is negative j. So we have negative j ln of jx plus or minus the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, so balik na natin siya dun sa arc sine x is equal to theta. Therefore, arc sine of x is equal to theta. Ang theta natin is negative j ln of jx plus or minus the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay, so yun na yung formula for arc sine. Question, clarification? None? Okay, so kung wala, proceed. Yes. May question? Clarification dun sa... Okay, so if none, then proceed tayo sa cosine, arc cosine. Okay, so we have number 2, arc cosine of x is equal to theta. So, same lang yung process. Kunin lang natin yung cosine of theta, equate natin sa x, and then we substitute cosine theta using yung derived na identity kanina. So we have cosine theta is equal to e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta over 2. Okay, so over 2. And then is equal to x, and then cross multiply e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta is equal to x. Okay, then the same, we want to eliminate yung negative exponent, so we multiply this by e raised to j theta. So we now have e raised to j theta squared plus 1, and then is equal to x e raised to j theta. So yung quadratic equation natin naging e raised to j theta squared minus x e raised to j theta, and then plus 1 is equal to 0. So again, applying the quadratic formula, e raised to j theta is equal to negative b. So that's x plus or minus the square root of x squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and then c, which is positive 1. Then over 2. Wait lang. Na-miss ko yung 2. Okay, so this should be, ba't ang laki? Ang eraser. Wait lang ah. Standard. Naka-standard naman siya. Okay, so it should be 2x. Then 2x. So minus 2x. And minus 2. So we have 4x squared. Ayan. So e raised to j theta is equal to 2x plus or minus the square root of, so negative, so factor out ko na yung 4. So we have x squared minus 1. Okay, so over 2. Okay, so that's 2x plus or minus 2 square root of x squared minus 1 over 2. Tapos we can cancel again yung 2. So ang e raised to j theta is equal to x plus or minus the square root of x squared minus 1. So lagyan ulit natin ng ln. So ln. Okay, so we have j theta is equal to ln of x plus or minus square root of x squared minus 1. Then theta is equal to, so over j So that's negative j ln of x plus or minus square root of x squared minus 1. Okay, so therefore yung arc cosine natin, arc cosine of x is equal to negative j ln of x plus or minus the square root of x squared minus 1. Okay, question? Naintindihan niyo ba yung ginagawa natin? So may face-to-face kayo bukas, no? Kunin niyo na yung quiz ninyo. Okay na? Okay, so number 3, arctangent. Okay, so number 3, we have arctangent. Arctangent of x is equal to theta. Then tangent of theta is equal to x. So kunin ulit natin yung formula ni tangent theta na na-derive natin. So but I'll be using, okay, so ito, negative, positive. Okay, so we have tangent of theta. So negative j e raised to j theta minus, negative yung numerator. Okay, so we have e raised to j negative j theta over e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta is equal to x. Then, cross multiply din natin. So negative j multiplied by e raised to j theta, and then minus e raised to negative j theta is equal to x e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta. Then, i-distribute lang natin. Negative j e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta. So plus. Okay, so plus j e raised to negative j theta. Then transpose natin sa kabila. Negative x e raised to j theta minus x e raised to negative j theta. Then equal to 0. So i-combine lang natin yung parehas yung exponent. Yan, alas 4, badmintonan. So we have e raised to j theta and then e raised to j theta. Tapos yung negative j, iba ring group. Okay, so we have e raised to j, negative j. Group natin siya sa e raised to negative j. Okay, so nasusundan yung yan. So grouping lang, algebra. So negative j, factor out na natin yung e raised to j theta. E raised to j theta multiplied by, so negative. Factor out ko yung negative. Okay, so that's j j minus x. Then sa kabila, or plus. Kasi pinactor out natin yung negative, so it should be plus. Tapos sin negative, so plus e raised to negative j theta. So we have j minus, so na yun? J minus x is equal to 0. Then tanggalin natin yung negative exponent. So we multiply this by e raised to j theta. So ilagay ko na rin dito negative. So wait lang. So multiply natin siya by negative negative. Wait lang. Sabihin natin yung kulay. Kakulay niya yung linya. So multiply natin siya by negative e raised to j theta negative. Okay, so we have e raised to j theta squared j plus x or x plus j and then minus, wait lang. So it should be, this one should be positive. And so minus minus 1 and then j minus x. Is equal to 0. So negative and so e raised to 0, so 1. Okay, so we have e raised to j theta x plus j and then equate natin, i-transpose natin sa kabila. So that's x. So j minus x. This is squared. Okay, so that's e raised to j theta squared is equal to j minus x over j plus x. Parehas na lang natin na nauna yung j. So ang e raised to j theta is equal to square root. So extract natin yung square root nung dalawa. So that's j minus x over j plus x. So lagyan natin ng ln on both sides. So j theta is equal to ln of the square root of j minus x over j plus x. So ang theta natin is equal to negative j ln of the square root of j minus x over j plus x. So ang arctangent natin is equal to negative j ln of the square root of j minus x over j plus x. Okay? So kayo na rin mag-derive nung ibang part. Okay? Question? Mr. Ramos,
Sir, para po nakuha yung negative J po.
1 over J. 1 over J
Okay.
is equal to negative J. May na-miss ba tayong ano dito? Any other clarification? Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Kaka-join ni Inakay.
Hindi po sir, kanina pa po ako naka-join. Nawalan lang po ng connection yung laptop po sir.
Okay. Negative J. Wait lang, i-check ko lang to. Okay, so ito yung isang solution. But if we use yung negative J, paki-resolve itong arctangent theta, arctangent theta, arctangent x. Arctangent x is equal to theta using yung tangent of theta na instead of negative J, gamitin natin yung e raised to j theta minus e raised to negative j theta over j times, so negative j is ginawa kong 1 over j. Okay, so times e raised to j theta plus e raised to negative j theta. So this will be your assignment. So hindi nyo naman kailangan i-submit. Just solve and then compare kung ano yung makukuha nyo. Definitely hindi siya parehas dito. Okay? And review dun sa quiz ninyo ng Wednesday. Mahaba-haba yung time. So hindi pa naman kasama ito. So hindi nyo kailangang reviewin. Okay na? So late na ako sa klase ko sa kabila. Sa badminton.
Uy, thank you, sir.
Okay, sige. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir, bye